What is up, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Ford Era. You got me, Solomon, here, and we are headed to the airport. It is 6 a.m. and the Uber just arrived. So let's go. We're on the way to Atlanta and then Tennessee. Alright guys, so Ben is here to pick me up, and we're about to hit the road. See you in a second. Alright everybody, so we've been driving for about an hour and we just made it over here to the Buc-ee's, and we're about an hour out from this place in Tennessee. So basically what we just did, I flew in from Miami and we're going over to Tennessee to go check out a collection of trucks that is possibly for sale, and I figured I need to bring some buddies with me to come check all this out. I can't afford to buy all the trucks, so I hit up Bennett and I flew into Atlanta, and it was only a 2-hour drive, so we're on the way there now, fueling up, and brought the Raptor. Wanted to get there quick and smooth, and that's it. Here's a little update, and the next time you see me, we will be pulling up to the house. Alright guys, so we just made it over here to Tennessee, and we are in for a treat. I haven't walked around yet, so we're gonna walk around together. And I mean, this place is just loaded with trucks. So I'm just going to put some music over it, and you guys could enjoy and see everything that's here. Alright guys, so I'm sure at this point you're like, what the heck is going on? Where are you? Is everything, like, what's up? So my buddy Don put me onto this place and told me this guy is interested in liquidating, and he'd give me first shot at buying some stuff. So that's why I'm here today. Gonna be walking around, just give you guys a quick glance. Gonna fly the drone, get some cool footage, and possibly buy a bunch of these trucks and then clean them up and put them back on the market eventually. So wish me luck, and you guys get to come along and see what all there is. What is up, everybody? So I ended up pulling the trigger and bought every single thing on this property, all the trucks, all the parts, everything. So right now I'm going to do a walk around, and everything's for sale. So if you guys are interested in anything here, take a screenshot, shoot me an email to sl@fordera.com, and let's work out a price. It's all located currently in Soddy Daisy, Tennessee, but whatever doesn't sell soon is going to move to Miami, Florida, which means more expensive to ship to you. So hit me up if you're interested in any of the stuff that you're about to see. This one's already sold. Someone hit me up on Instagram and she is gone like the wind. Got Greg over here already gonna transport them for me. And then now we go inside where a lot of the parts are. So if you see something you need, let me know. All right, guys, so that's everything that I want to show for right now. So if there's anything that you're interested in, shoot me an email, sl@fordera.com. Let's work out a deal. For everybody wondering what the heck, that's what I'm wondering too. What the heck? I got a call about this yesterday, and I was fast. I pulled the trigger before anybody else did, booked the flight right away, got here today, and these are what dreams are made of. You know, like, this is so surreal. But we're here. You guys smash that like button, hit the subscribe button. There's gonna be so much content from this and everything else that I do. And as always, drop a comment below. Let me know what you think the coolest truck here is. We'll see you in the next video.